Hi everybody, Dr. Tim here. This week what I'm doing is I'm giving you a very specific exercise. As chiropractors, we give you different kinds of exercises. We give you stretching exercises sometimes. We give you strengthening exercises. And this week I want to talk about one simple exercise that is really important. And it's a simple push-up. Now, some of you may be saying right now, well, Dr. Tim, I can't do a push-up. It's too hard to get up and down off the floor. Or my back is too sore to be able to do a push-up right now. What I want to do is I want to show you 4 different ways that you can do a push-up. Whether you're a senior that might have a hard time getting up and down off the floor, or if you're an athlete, you want a more challenging way to do a push-up. And I want to also explain a little bit about the benefits, about why you would want to incorporate this exercise into your daily routine. When you do a push-up, the great thing is it doesn't just work out your chest and your arms, it really engages your core muscles, the deep muscles that support your spine. And when you strengthen your core, it has a whole bunch of benefits. It improves your posture, it improves your balance and your coordination. These exercises can improve your bone density and even create more tone to your arms, certainly. So when you do push-ups, this is the first thing I want you to remember, is that the position of your arms is important. You don't want the shoulders to be up too high because you're going to create pinching in your shoulders. You don't want them down too low to your sides. I would recommend that you have your arms about 45 degrees to your body, about this far up. So the first way I'm going to show you, the push-up is the easiest push-up. So if you're somebody who has a hard time getting up and down off the floor, we're going to start with what's called a wall push-up. And it's very simple. You're just going to kind of stand back about maybe a couple of feet from the wall. And again, shoulders are going to be down just a little bit lower than shoulder height. Feet about shoulder width apart. You're going to lean into the wall. You can even put your feet back a little further if you want to make it a little harder. And when you do this push-up, you're going to let the arms go in. You're going to let your nose touch the wall, and then you're going to come out. So again, the nose is going to touch the wall, and you're going to push off. And when you do this, the thing I want you to focus on is contracting the muscles in your abdominal area. This is really important that you contract the muscles in your core. So again, hands should be just a little bit lower than your shoulder height, and you're going to touch your nose, and you're going to come out. And what the goal is to do as many repetitions as you need to do until you get a little bit of fatigue, until you feel yourself getting a little bit tired in your arms and in your chest and maybe even in your abdominal area. You may be able to do 10 or 12 or 15. Do as many as you can. Take a rest for a minute or two and then do another set. And I would recommend doing 3 or 4 sets of those. Now, if that's too easy, the next progression is where you can get down on the floor and you can do a knee push-up. So what you're going to do is you're going to make your body nice and straight. You don't want to arch your back. You want to keep your body straight like a plank. And you're going to slowly be lowering down, so you're going to touch your chest to the floor, and then you're coming up from your knees. And once you've mastered that push-up, when you're able to easily do them from your knees, the next level of difficulty would be to do them from your toes. So again, in this case, you'd be on your toes, and again, you're trying to keep your body nice and straight. You don't want your bum up in the air. You don't want your hips sagging too low. You're keeping your body in a plank position, and you're going through a full range of motion. So when you're doing a push-up, you don't want to just do a little push like this. You want to try to get down as deep as you can and come all the way up. So that would be the third level of difficulty. Now, if you're looking for a really challenging push-up, if you're younger and you're an athlete, this is the next level of difficulties. You can get a chair or a bench like you see here, and you can do an incline push-up. So that would look like this, where you're resting your toes, and again, you're keeping your body nice and straight, and you're coming down and up. So there are 4 different ways that you can do a push-up. The wall push-up, the knee push-up, the toe push-up, and the incline push-up. And that is one of the easiest exercises that you can do to create core stability. If you have lower back pain, this is a great exercise to do. It can help reduce and even eliminate lower back pain, and certainly prevent it if you may have problems in the future. So get to work on trying that exercise. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to hearing about your results. Have an awesome day.